Given the expression 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 3 factorial, at first glance, many people quickly say the answer is 2. But that is not correct. Whenever you see a math expression like this, you must follow one of the most important rules in mathematics, the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us exactly where to start and what to solve first so we don't make mistakes. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. This rule means we cannot solve a problem randomly. We must go step by step in the correct order. Now let's apply it carefully. We are given 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 3 factorial. Step 1, check for parentheses. There are none. Step 2, check for exponents. The factorial symbol is handled before multiplication and division. 3 factorial means 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So, 3 factorial equals 6. Now our expression becomes 60 divided by 5 multiplied by 6. Next, we move to multiplication and division. Remember, multiplication and division have equal priority. That means we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Starting from the left, 60 divided by 5 equals 12. Now the expression becomes 12 multiplied by 6. 12 multiplied by 6 equals 72. So the correct final answer is 72, not 2. If you got 2, you probably multiplied 5 by 3 first. But that breaks the order of operations because factorial must be solved first and multiplication and division must be done from left to right. This is why following PEMDAS step by step is so important. It prevents simple mistakes and helps you solve expressions correctly every time. If you learned something new from this explanation, like this video, drop your answer in the comments. Share this with a friend who thinks the answer is 2. And don't forget to subscribe for more math challenges.